What's up? Welcome to my channel. My name is Bailey Ruskus, also known as Chef Bay, and I'm a professional plant-based chef and a best-selling cookbook author of the cookbook Cook, Heal, Go Vegan. I am so excited that you're here and you landed on this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want more tips and tricks in the kitchen, keep watching. This is also the place for exclusive videos to my podcast, The Plant Remedy. If you're interested in diving deeper in plant-based cooking or just want to incorporate a little bit of fun into your cooking routine, join our membership called Cook, Vibe, Heal that you can cook with me live weekly, and it's so much fun. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you soon. What's up guys, it's Chef Bay and I'm so excited about my brand new series called Chef Bay's Vegan City Guides. Today, for part 1 of San Diego, we are in my hometown of La Jolla, California, and our first stop is going to be Trilogy Sanctuary, which is not only a cafe, but it is also a yoga studio, a rooftop, and it's all organic, vegan, and gluten-free. So it's so good if you have allergies, and it's just so delicious either way. So let's go, I'm getting hungry. Okay guys, so this is our pumpkin spice latte. So good, made with oat milk. So delicious and perfectly spiced. And then we have an eggs Benedict right here. Oh yes. And then right here we have a vegan egg with a quinoa chorizo and homemade buckwheat pancakes. Okay, this is their eggplant that's made, their bacon that's made from eggplant. I love vegan holidays. I love Trilogy because they use very similar ingredients in all of their dishes, so you know exactly what to expect. So the English muffin and the pita here is made with buckwheat. And then the egg is made with the mung bean. And then you've just got like the hollandaise, the eggplant bacon, and all local San Diego produce. So it's like a win-win. To finish off this episode, we thought that we would stop by the Vegan Depot that happens every other Sunday here close to Balboa Park in San Diego. So we drove over. We'll probably get some cheese from Double Batch and just see what else is going on. We've actually never been here before, but I love San Diego so much because there's always new vegan things popping up all the time, and there's always new vegan stuff to try. So let's go try some. Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's go. Come on, let's go. vegan double batch. It's so amazing. Company's amazing. It melts, it shreds. It's so bomb. I can't wait to show you guys. I'm gonna eat my donuts. I'm so excited for this. I love a good vegan donut. They should all be vegan, honestly. Oh my god, so fluffy, tastes so buttery. Oh my god, I'm drooling over here. So good. I'm so full, and I hope you guys loved this episode of Chef Bay's Vegan City Guides. This is part 1 of San Diego. There's a lot more to visit in San Diego, so stay tuned. If you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos just like this one, as well as recipes and exclusive videos to my podcast, The Plant Remedy. All right, guys, stay hungry. I'll see you later.